Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice jelly. First, gather your essential ingredients, 10 grams of ice jelly powder and 1 liter of water. Next, prepare your workspace by getting a large mixing bowl and a whisk ready. It's important to ensure all your utensils are perfectly clean before you begin. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and successful ice jelly creation process. Now, let's get to the mixing. Carefully pour the 10 grams of ice jelly powder into 1 liter of boiling water. Whisk the mixture continuously for about 2 minutes, ensuring the powder completely dissolves without any lumps. Once smooth, pour the liquid into your desired molds. Place these molds in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours, allowing the jelly to set firmly. Your ice jelly is now set and ready to enjoy. For a refreshing treat, serve it with fresh fruit such as diced mango or sweet lychee. You can enhance the flavor by adding a drizzle of honey or a spoonful of condensed milk. For an extra cool experience, try topping it with crushed ice or even a scoop of creamy vanilla ice cream. To keep your delicious ice jelly fresh, store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will maintain its best quality for up to 3 days. Remember, keeping it chilled is key to preserving its firm texture and refreshing taste. Before you go, if you love reading, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Enjoy your homemade ice jelly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.